For the direction of turn, we have two directions in which the figure can be rotated. We have clockwise, which they may abbreviate as CW, or counterclockwise, which they will abbreviate as CCW, and this is the one that they're going to use the most. But I do want to talk about both of them. So if you have a coordinate plane, you start at the origin and as go out to the right, and then as an angle, what normally happens is that we open it up. So this is counterclockwise because it's going the opposite way of a clock, and each time it passes through an axis, it's going to be a 90-degree turn. So from this little part here, this is a 90 degrees counterclockwise. Then if we keep going, when we hit the x-axis again, this is 180 degrees counterclockwise. And then we keep going, here is a 270 degrees counterclockwise. And then we're back to the beginning, which would be a 360 degrees counterclockwise. Now, what you need to understand is if I start, here and I open it this direction, then, and I go clockwise, then if I go 3 turns, which is 90 times 3, then that's going to be a 270 degree clockwise, which is the same thing as saying a 90 degree counterclockwise. And then a 180 degree counterclockwise is the same thing as an 180 clockwise. And a 270 degree counterclockwise is the same thing as a 90 degree clockwise.